up, you guys? My name is Sarah Kamar and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you are doing well, and in today's video I will show you hold on, let me count, five cute side braids that you can do whenever you are rushing, or you just wanted to do some kind of cute hairstyle. And most of them are simple, some of them are kind of complicated, but I will try my best to teach you these tutorials. I literally, like, this hairstyle saved me when I have to leave to work or go to school, which we haven't been in school in a while, but yeah. And actually, just reminded me, it's been officially 100 days of quarantine. How crazy is that? Oh my god, I still cannot believe that, honestly. But honestly, I cannot wait when I will be around people. Well, I'm around people right now, but just want my old life back, you know. Let me fix my camera real quick. Perfect. I honestly want my life back, where I talk to people and, you know, give them hugs and handshakes whenever I see people, for example, Kroger or Walmart or somewhere else. But now you just like handshake, hug, no hugs, elbow, just everything, you know. Gotta try those methods. So let's just not talk too much and let's get to this video. So guys, I'll probably do like a voiceover over this because sometimes I can't speak and also braid at the same time because I'll be really confused. But whenever I'll do the over sound, I think, you know, I write everything down so it'll be proper English, because then it wouldn't make any sense if I do it right now. So yeah, you're gonna hear my voice pretty soon. Okay guys, so this is the voiceover. You're going to first divide your hair in whichever side you want, either right or left. Also make sure to brush your hair very well. The first braid is the French braid, so we're going to divide our hair into three equal pieces, which I always try my best to do that. So you're going to take the first piece and put it over in the middle, and then you're going to put the last piece, put it over first, and then the second piece, put it over third piece. And then after that you will continue to take these pieces of hair and put it over each other, and make sure these braids are pretty tight, but it's up to you if you wanted to make it loose. Okay guys, for the second hairstyle, it will be a regular twist braid. Make sure to divide your hair into two pieces and then just start twisting around. Make sure to twist it around your finger and then twist it around your hair. And if you want to use hairspray, that would be great, because that can hold your braid much longer. Okay guys, for this third braid it would be a little complicated because it's 4 pieces, so you have to first take the fourth piece and put it over the third, and then after you will put it under the second piece, and you're gonna put first piece under the fourth piece. Now it's really complicated. Let's do that again. Fourth piece on top, and then under, and then the first piece under the last one that you put. I really hope the video will explain everything because it is pretty hard to explain in words, so just follow with my instructions. Okay, this is the fourth braid, and this is the one that's really complicated and it was hard for me to show because I have very poofy hair, but let's try it. So we're going to divide our hair into 5 sections, and you're going to take the first piece and put it over the second, and then you're going to put under the third, over the fourth, and over, and the last one over the first one. So remember, over, and then under, and then over again, and the last one goes over the first piece. So make sure it is really tight, and I try my best to follow the instructions. Just remember, over, under, over, over. Okay, so the last braid would be an inverted fishtail braid. So you just have to divide your hair into 2 pieces and then grab piece by piece. You'll take a first one and then go under and just start crossing over, and and it is up to you to either grab very small pieces if you have a lot of patience, or very big pieces if you're running late. So I like to grab big pieces because my hair is really thick, and when you grab the thin one, it's really complicated. So just start grabbing piece by piece and start crossing over to each of the braids. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked my hairstyles, and these were 5 side braids, and of course number 4 was the really hard one because I have very thick hair. And so this one is my favorite though, the 5 braids, but it's really hard to do on a very thick hair. So that's it, and I really hope you liked it, guys. Make sure, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, like this video and follow on all of my social media. I really hope you'll have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video.